In today's CAD tip in a flash, we're going to learn how to quickly audit layers in AutoCAD. We begin by typing in LAYWALK into our command line, which is going to open a dialog box that shows us all of the current active layers in our DWG. When we select any of the layers in the list, that layer becomes temporarily isolated, showing you exactly what is on that layer. If you need to select a group of layers, you can hold Control and select all the layers that you want to be isolated. You can also use LAYWALK to find out what layer an object is on. If we select the icon here for select object and we select an object and hit enter, you will see that that object becomes isolated, or its layer becomes isolated. Another thing that we can do with the LAYWALK command is it's a great way to also clean up your layers. What we can do is we can scroll through, and when we find a layer that has no objects on it or is not being used, we can hit the purge button right here inside of our LAYWALK dialog box. Once we close our dialog box, everything goes back to normal and your view is restored. This is today's CAD tip in a flash. Please like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tricks. And as always, stay blessed.